India vs Bangladesh 2024 Test Series Schedule and Final Squad. Number 1 Shubman Gill. Number 2 Dhruv Jurel. Number 3 Mohammad Siraj. Number 4 Virat Kohli. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 7 Rohit Sharma. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 KL Rahul. Number 10 Hardik Pandya. Number 11 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 12 Mohammad Shami. Number 13 Ravichandra Ashwan. Number 14 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 15 Arshdeep Singh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.